Fancy learning Welsh the easy way? So do I. Let's do it together. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Learn Welsh with Will, the show where I share with you what I'm learning in my quest to become a Welsh speaker. Today, we'll learn another useful phrase that you can just plug into your Welsh conversation, and that is how to tell people that you or others have something. Now, to tell people that you have something, just use the phrase mae gen I and add whatever it is you have on the end of it. For example, mae gen I gamera. I have a camera. Mae gen I gamera. Mae gen I spectol. I have spectacles. Mae gen I spectol. And of course this works for ailments as well. For example, mae gen I annwyd. I have a cold. Mae gen I annwyd. Or mae gen I gur pen. I have a headache. Mae gen I gur pen. Now, to say someone else has something will of course depend on whether they are male or female. So to say he has, use mae gynno fo. For example, mae gynno fo gi. He has a dog. Mae gynno fo gi. To say she has, use mae gynni hi. For example, mae gynni hi gath. She has a cat. Mae gynni hi gath. Now, if you are referring to a group of people, use mae gynnyn nhw. They have. For example, mae gynnyn nhw gwrw. They have beer. Mae gynnyn nhw gwrw. So there you go, that should come in very handy down the pub. Well, that's all for this episode, so keep practicing and have fun with your Welsh. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Until then, Hwyl fawr i chi.